It's not like
right.
everybody's having to clean somebody else's dishes or whatever. But then so that's happening weekly. And then at the beginning of each month, our house cleaner comes in and does a deep clean of all of the common areas. So the bathrooms, the kitchens. I have 2 kitchens. I have 4
Oh,
bathrooms.
wow.
Now she's not cleaning the bathroom to the primary because,
Mm.
that's in his room. But the 3 bathrooms that are open to everybody, she's cleaning that, and that includes the floors. She'll also do the move out cleaning. So if somebody was to move out, so we had somebody that was there just long enough for her permanent residence to be ready. So she moved out the end of April. Our cleaning lady, she came and she cleaned that room as well. So yeah, so oh my gosh, she is amazing. So if anybody needs a good house cleaner in Arizona, oh
How
gosh,
did
shut
you
it up.
find her?
Oh, I from another pad split person.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes. I was like, okay. I was looking on Thumbtack. I use Thumbtack app a lot
Yeah,
for even
yeah.
personally for my primary. And I was checking that out, and then I was like, wait a minute. I know I know Jared. He has a pad split not too far from me in Glendale. I wonder who he's using and if he likes them. Because the nice thing about that is they're already used to how it works, right? It's not
Right. That's
finding
true.
somebody and then having to teach them, like, look, you're not going into the bedrooms, you're
Right.
just cleaning the common area. So, yeah, so she already knew everything. And I think what she does is she goes to Jared's property in the morning and my property in the afternoon because it's
Yeah,
that
makes
close.
sense.
Yeah, so it works out really well. Yes.